How to get him interested again fast. One. Stop paying attention to him. Time to stop reaching out. Stop making phone calls, sending text messages, engaging with his social media. 2. It's time for a glow-up. Men are visual creatures when it comes to attraction. Improve your physical appearance, then post a cute picture on social media for him to see. It will make a huge difference to his perception of you. 3. Make use of social media. Don't send your photos directly to him. Remember, cease contact for a while. This creates the space for him to chase you. 4. Hang out with your friends. Have fun without a special man in your life. This helps you less desperate around him in the future. Spend time with your pals. 5. Date other guys. Take the opportunity to date other guys during this no-contact period. Take a subtle photo of your first date and post on social media. Your special man will wonder who you're with. 6. Reanalyze your relationship. Don't spend too long dwelling on what went wrong. You may never know the truth. Chat with your close friends about this. Maybe they can spot a mistake you commonly make in your relationships. 7. Talk to your mutual friends. Find out what made him lose interest from them. 8. Reach out when he's likely to be free. Wait until he does reach out before messaging him again. When he does, send him a reply while he's likely to be free. 9. Send him a ping text. A ping is a quick signal to check its components are still working. You can send a ping text to your special guy. Like a fun text that doesn't ask a question. 10. Apologize for being in a bad mood on the last date. This message is good bait for him to send you a reply. You don't need to add anything else. 11. Apologize for something else. If you did something really unattractive, text to apologize for this. A guy is rarely going to reach out to tell you what turned him off. You can call it out yourself to get him interested again. 12. Keep it short and sweet. Create space for him to chase you. Short messages show you're not too emotionally invested in his response. 13. Remind him of the fun memories. Reminds him of the fun times you shared together. This can help to get him interested in another date. Some callback humor can work well. 14. Cut it off yourself. If you try reaching out again and he doesn't respond, you might want to consider cutting off the relationship. You don't have to sound spiteful when doing it. It's better to stop trying to force a relationship. If he is actually interested in you, he'll respond to this reverse psychology. He may apologize for being so cold. 15. Ask what made him lose interest. Try asking if you did anything wrong on your last date. If he wants to spend more time with you, he'll assure you that nothing went wrong. 16. Invite him to something awesome. Come up with great ideas that he'll really love. It'll be much harder for him to turn it down. Think outside the box. This is great advice if your relationship is beginning to feel stale too. 17. Keep it positive. Don't complain or try to make him feel bad about ignoring you. It's just going to make things worse. 18. Don't even mention his silence. Pretend like his absence hasn't been a big deal to you. 19. Flirt more on your next date. You didn't flirt enough on your last date? This is a common reason why guys ghost on women. When women don't flirt with them, they get the sense that there wasn't a real connection. When you flirt, this can make him interested in a relationship. 20. Focus on your own life more. Spend more time on improving your quality of life and your self-confidence. A happy and confident person become more attractive to be around. Remember, don't be that woman who only chases men that don't want her.